prawns, scallions, ginger shreds, a handful of Chinese prickly ash. Spray oil, air fryer, 180 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes. Super sweet and fresh. If you have an air fryer, you gotta try roasting king oyster mushrooms. They're so tasty with a meaty, juicy bite. Toss the mushrooms in a quick marinade of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cooking oil. Air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Flip halfway. Delicious alone, but BBQ seasoning takes it up a notch. Super easy to make. Give it a go. This thin egg pancake is my kids' 3-day obsession. 1 scoop of flour, crack in 2 eggs, mix into a smooth batter. Add a pinch of salt and pour in 3 scoops of water and give it a good stir to combine. Spray oil in a non-stick pan, pour in a scoop of batter, swirl to spread evenly. Sprinkle with chopped scallions and black sesame seeds. Cook over medium-low heat until bubbles pop up, flip and cook 30 more seconds. Fold it up and it's ready to serve. Quick, easy and tasty, done in minutes. Give it a try. Tender shrimp paste, sweet lily bulbs. Every bite bursts with fresh flavor. Place shrimp paste in the center of a plate. Insert lily bulb petals one by one to form a flower so pretty. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and 1.5 times the warm water. Mix well. Burn off surface bubbles with a lighter. Pour over the shrimp paste and lily bulbs. Steam for 10 minutes after the water boils. Drizzle light soy sauce, sprinkle scallions, and finish with a drizzle of hot oil for extra aroma. Incredibly fresh, silky, and sweet, total crowd pleaser. This showstopper dish is a total keeper. Slice fresh morel mushrooms open in the middle. Stuff them generously with store-bought shrimp paste, super quick and easy. Arrange them on a plate. Bring water to a boil, then steam. Crack an egg right in the center. Cover and steam over medium heat for 8 minutes. Sprinkle with chopped green onions. Drizzle with hot oil to release the aroma. Finish with a spoonful of light soy sauce. Simple, foolproof, and loved by everyone. Soy sauce, chili rings, super fragrant, perfect with rice noodles or noodles. Easy to make. Slice green chilies into rings. Add bird's eye chilies if you like spicy food. Stir-fry scallions. Spring onions and onions in oil over medium-low heat until golden. Then remove fermented black beans for aroma gives off heat. Add soy sauce, vinegar, sugar while warm. Add chili rings, ginger, garlic slices, and some prickly ash oil. Mix well, cool, and store in a jar. Enjoy anytime.